In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a link in a rich text module in HubSpot. Whether you're editing a website page, a blog post, an email, or a landing page, adding links properly is essential for improving user experience, boosting engagement, and driving conversions. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can confidently add any type of link inside HubSpot's rich text editor. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. The first step is to open the content editor in HubSpot. Log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the asset you want to edit. This could be a website page, a landing page, a blog post, or a marketing email. Once you're inside the editor, click into the Rich Text module where you want to insert the link. The Rich Text module is the area where you can format text, add images, and insert hyperlinks. Next, highlight the text that you want to turn into a clickable link. This is a very important step because HubSpot needs to know which words should become clickable. Simply click and drag your cursor over the text. For example, if you want the words "Contact us" to link to your contact page, highlight just those words. After highlighting the text, look at the formatting toolbar above the Rich Text module. You'll see several formatting options like bold, italic, alignment tools, and more. Find the link icon, which looks like a small chain or link symbol. This is the Insert Link button. Click on that icon. If you don't immediately see the link icon, don't worry. Sometimes it's hidden inside the More menu, which appears as 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots to expand additional formatting tools, and you should see the link option there. Once you click the Insert Link button, a panel will appear where you can choose the type of link you want to add. HubSpot gives you several different link options depending on what you're trying to accomplish. The first option is a standard URL link. This is the most common type. Simply paste any website address into the URL field. This could be an external website like Google or another page on your own domain. Make sure the link includes HTTPS at the beginning so it works properly. The second option is an email link. This allows visitors to click the text and automatically open their default email app with a pre-filled recipient address. Just enter the email address you want the message sent to. This is especially useful for contact links or support emails. The third option is an anchor link. Anchor links are used to jump to a specific section on the same page. For example, if you have a long landing page and want users to jump directly to the pricing section, you can create an anchor and link to it. This improves navigation and user experience. The fourth option is a file link. This lets you link directly to a file stored in HubSpot's Files tool, such as a PDF, image, or downloadable document. When users click the link, the file will open or download depending on the file type. The fifth option is a HubSpot page link. Instead of pasting a URL manually, you can select from your existing HubSpot pages. This ensures the link stays accurate even if the page URL changes later. After choosing your link type and entering the required information, click Apply or Insert to confirm. Your highlighted text will now appear clickable, usually underlined and styled according to your website's design settings. Before publishing, it's always a good idea to test your link. Use the preview option to make sure the link goes to the correct destination. If something doesn't look right, simply click the linked text again, select the link icon, and edit or remove it. And that's it. That's how you insert a link in a rich text module in HubSpot. As you can see, it's a simple process once you know where everything is and what each link type does. Whether you're linking to another page, an email address, a downloadable file, or a specific section of your page, HubSpot makes it easy to manage everything directly inside the editor. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy HubSpot guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.